Welcome to Stack-Light.com. Whether your project calls for a simple stack light, a status light station, or a sophisticated wireless system, we have you covered. We carry a full line of stack light stations that are designed to be easy to install, and they are plug and play. The SBSL60 can be ordered with 1 to 5 levels. The lights can be set to flashing or steady. These lights come with a buzzer built-in that can be enabled if it is needed. The status light stations can be ordered with rotary switches or push-button switches. The push-button switches can be configured to light up when on. This is an especially helpful feature for applications where the light is out of sight of the controls. The lit button acts as an additional status light. These lights can be ordered with a cable between the controls and the light. The standard cable is 6 feet long, but custom lengths are available upon request. The lights mount with a L-shaped bracket. Alternatively, the controls can be mounted directly to a flat surface. The lights use the latest LED technology, making them long-lasting and energy-efficient. The expected life of each LED is 50,000 hours. The LEDs are modular and can be replaced if the need arises. Our website makes it easy to configure the light to your specifications, and we can build a custom light if you need something more unique. We would love to help with your project. Give us a call. A live person eager to help will answer and work with you to select the perfect light for your application. Call now and let us be a part of your success.